Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from Collab GRIPTAPE Co. That's the name right there. Might be backwards, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to be opening this today, but first I want to say something that I won't be putting out a lot of videos. Because I'm putting together one whole video where I can make a longer video, because I like putting out longer video for you guys. So, yeah, let's get right to it. Use my skate tool, the screwdriver. So we got it out of the box, tube, whatever, and so let's show you. That's the design. That is super sick. So I won this on Instagram. It was a free giveaway, and so all I had to do was just repost and hope that he chose me. So luckily, well, not luckily, but I had just snapped a deck, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. And now I won't have to buy grip tape anymore because he sent me some. So that's awesome, convenient, and you guys will see that very soon. So I'm going to leave his YouTube in my description below. Make sure you follow him on Instagram and YouTube. And see you guys later.